lost track of time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to curl my hair using Philips Selfie hair straightener HP8303. This is one of the most budget friendly hair straightener from the Philips brand. This is the smallest hair straightener in the Philips range and it is priced at approx 1200 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. So if you wanted to see a demo on how it performs straightening wise and my review on it, there is a separate video, you can check that out. I have recently reviewed this hair straightener. So this is the curling video and I'm going to use this to curl my hair and I will share my reviews. You will get the other hair straightener also in the Philips range which looks similar like this, HP8302. The reason why I selected this hair straightener for curling also because it comes in a barrel like shape. You can see the plates of this hair straightener is sleek and smaller size. So usually you can create curls with sleek shaped hair straighteners. You can't do the curling with extra wide plated hair straightener or bigger plates hair straightener. So these kind of sleek hair straighteners are useful in terms of creating curls and also straightening. There are other hair straightener in the Philips brand that comes with sleek design, but the plates will be flat. Now although you can do curling with other hair straighteners also which comes with flat iron, but it has to be sleek. That's very important. This hair straightener comes with the maximum heat temperature of 210 degrees Celsius temperature. 210 degrees Celsius temperature is the mediocre kind of heat temperature on which you can do straightening, you can also do curling, and it will be long lasting kind of mediocre heat. But it depends on brand to brand. Some brand claims that it is 220 degrees Celsius temperature also, and when you use the hair straightener it won't be approx like 180 also, sometimes hardly. So these things happen, so that's why the reviews are really important, you know, the performance wise and the kind of heat and the temperature it provides. So the actual plate of this hair straightener comes with the ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is the basic coating that you get in a budget hair straightener. With any other expensive hair straightener you will get keratin infused ceramic coating which is one step better, or titanium plates with ceramic coating, etc. So yes, this comes with the ceramic coating and of course it comes with 2 years of warranty. That's amazing, you know, for 1200 rupees you're getting. And now let's begin with the curling demo. I always like to create the curls on straight and frizz free and smooth looking hair because the end result of curl will be very neat and clean and it will look more shinier and smoother. So that's the thing, instead of, you know, creating curl on your frizzy hair, it's always nice to, you know, run the hair straightener once or twice and then just do your curling process. And I use this Streaks hair serum. So again I will take a little bit of hair serum because we are going to curl the hair and curling process is little bit, you know, tricky than straightening. We put lot of pressure while curling and we stretch the hair, we press the hair, we twist the hair. So these are the things we do while curling, so it's always good to use hair serum or good heat protectant before curling your hair especially. So I will switch on the hair straightener. It comes with only one power button, so from here you can switch it on. We can't minimize or maximize the temperature, we have to always work on this heat temperature. So you can see this is how my hair look, and I will firstly divide my hair into two section and two part, and in small section I will create the curls. So I'm using these kind of section clip. You can find it easily on Amazon and Flipkart. So we'll start from the bottom section first. So guys, always make sure that you detangle your hair well and you work in section wise. Then only the end result of curling will be smooth and it will look even and beautiful. So this is how you can frame your face. So I'll firstly comb my hair and on this section only I will do the curling. So I will work in smaller sections. Firstly straighten your hair like so. Once or twice you have to run your hair straightener and then you can create the curl. So now I will create the curl. So like that I will wrap the hair around the hair straightener and slowly I will pull it downward. You can see some steam is coming out while curling my hair, which means the straightener is hot, and you can see how beautiful the curl looks, and it's long lasting also. See, while if I'm stretching this, it's not opening up. So So this is how the curling look. So I will wrap the hair in inward direction, and then I will slowly slide the hair straightener downward direction. It's very easy, like it's all about practice. And the plates of hair straightener is smooth, but it's not very smooth in comparison with the other selfie hair straighteners, which is BHS384 and BHS385. So it's smooth, you will not experience any tugging and pulling, but still I would say I've reviewed the hair straightener BHS384 and 385, so you can check out the demo also of these hair straighteners. These are the budget hair straighteners, so that's why I'm comparing HP8303 hair straighteners with BHS384 and BHS385 hair straightener, because those are priced at those are like within 1500 price range. So if you have medium length hair and short hair, you want to frame your face, then make sure that you don't work very closer to the root parts, because the hair length will appear smaller. Like when you do the curling, the length of your hair becomes shorter because the hair will shrink in a curls. So this is how these things you can keep in mind before you do the curling, so that you can just frame your face, you can maintain the actual length of your hair. You can see in straightening, your hair length become longer, appears longer, and when you do the curling, the length becomes shorter. So these are the things you should keep in mind when you are styling your hair, of course. And as per my experience, I would say this hair straightener doesn't produce that much amount of heat when we talk about 210 degrees Celsius temperature. I have reviewed other hair straighteners and used other hair straighteners from Philips brand that comes with max heat of 210, and I would say this is a little bit lesser in comparison with the other hair straightener, but still you can see I'm okay and I'm able to create the curls. And if you work at higher heat temperature, then the end result will be quick, and the curls will look more frizz-free and will look smoother and neat. So these are the things that you can achieve, like if you work at exact 210 degrees Celsius temperature like other Philips hair straightener comes with. For my front hair styling, I like to take outward twist. I like to twist my hair outward direction just to style my face and frame my face like this. So if you have nice layer cut, this will look beautiful on you as well. So guys, this is the final look of my hair curling, and you can achieve really nice tight curls with this hair straightener, and the curling result will stay up to 4 to 5 hours. And it's always good to be at the safe side. Use some heat protectant, like not only with this curling iron, with any curling iron you can use a good heat protectant. I have already shared what products I like to use. So yes, this is the final look, and I'm really liking the end result of this hair straightener. And overall, I would say you can easily create curls with this hair straightener. You can also do hair straightening. It's such a nice, small and compact, travel friendly, lightweight hair straightener. It's so handy. Like while curling my hair, I did not feel any pain or any stress on my hand. So it's that handy. It's very lightweight, it's so convenient. So let's say if you are a model or if you are Instagram influencer, you travel a lot, then you can carry this hair straightener. It will easily fit into your purse and your bag, and so travel friendly. You can style your hair on the go and you can see the result. So it will stay like for good 1 day if you use a nice hair setting spray. And also, yes, that's the thing I wanted to share in this curling review of HP8303 hair straightener. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, find it interesting. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel to join in my YouTube family. You can also follow me on my Instagram so that we all can stay connected. If you still have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. You can also DM me on my Instagram. I'm always there to reply you guys. And yes, I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.